Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve guys double tap to wake screen problem on Oppo phone device. Friends, you have your double tap problem. Friends, you can see when I double tap on my lock screen, friends, you can see screen on automatic and guys off automatic. So how can I solve this problem on my Oppo phone device? So friends, you want to solve this double tap to wake screen problem on your device. So how to fix? Open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, click on your Oppo phone tool setting. Right, this conversion tool setting, friends, click here. Friends, you can see navigation, gesture settings, screenshot, screen recording. So friends, click on second option, gesture settings. Friends, click on screen of gestures, and once you can see here second option, double tap to wake screen. So friends, you have on any friends you have enabled your double tap setting, so you will have to disable from here. After disable, friends, you can double tap, you can three tap, your screen will not on. Friends, you can see double tap, screen will not on. One tap, two tap, three tap, four tap, screen will not on. Friends, you will have to press your power button, then guys you can on your screen and you can unlock your Oppo mobile. So like that friends, we can fix double tap to wake screen problem from tool setting, and friends you can fix from your lock screen setting also. Again click on phone setting and friends click on home and lock screen, and friends scroll. Friends, you can see lock screen double tap to wake screen setting is on. So guys click here and guys your problem will solve. Friends, you can lock your screen but guys you cannot unlock your screen with double tap. As you see double tap, screen will not on. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to solve double tap problem on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Friends, do you have any doubt related to your home and lock screen setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.